Uncle Phil's got millions. That was Uncle Philly's thing, that he had millions. Oh, it's starting to lightning. But we all know Uncle Philly didn't have no millions. He thought he was going to make millions. That was Uncle Philly. The Grand Phillian. He's part of this. One of those families. Kind of like they used to say the Grand Wizard. The Grand Phillian. Over in Teeswater. You gotta watch out for that Grand Phillian. Okay. This down south I learned a lot of history about that. The lynchings on the tree and whatnot. And they used to ride around on their horses. The Knights of Columbus and whatnot. But Philly, the Grand Phillian, he rides around on a eagle, a screaming eagle? No, one of those Honda Gold Eagles, I believe. He's one of those Honda Gold Eagle type of guys. The Grand Phillian. And those are very few and rare in between. Sort of like a real bald, like an actual bald eagle. Very rarely do you see a bald eagle until you see, wow, there's the bald eagle. And everybody's taking pictures of the bald eagle and videos of the bald eagle. Sometimes when you're young, you think it's just another bald eagle and you're going to see them all the time. Well, you know it's a rare bald eagle. I haven't seen a bald eagle in almost 20 years. And I haven't seen Phil in almost 7 years. I haven't seen, and since then I don't think I've ever seen a I haven't seen a one of those Honda whatever, it's Honda's most expensive motorcycle. I seen it on the website, but the last time I seen one of those bikes was when I seen Phil Thompson driving his. So they're very few, rare and in between. Same with the Ducati. I haven't seen a Ducati since Cam Thompson. I mean, I have my bike, which some people mistake it for a Ducati. They say, hey, is that a Ducati? I say, no, that's what Cam has. Who's running on E now? Yeah. Who's siding with the caterpillar in the trees now? They don't even have a jewelry store in Teeswater. This gold, you know how valuable this gold is in Teeswater? Oh my gosh, I could probably lose my finger out there. But shout out to the big Phillian, the Grand Phillian. Actually, which way am I pointing? He ain't this way. Exactly. You know which way the Grand Phillian is? He's this way. And I don't know if you want to go that way, the Grand Phillian, over there, all the way down that way. No, it's more like this way. It's more like this way, actually. 50 miles this way, you'll meet the Grand Fillion. We're getting some sort of flood now. It's really coming in. Oh, that wasn't good. You're gonna pay for what you did to the Grand Fillion. I call this the canopy across the street. This canopy looks different all the time. You got birds that live in this canopy. They go from all these different trees, but really it isn't that big of a canopy now that, wow, I can smell my apartment airing out. I always smell my neighbor or whatever, and then I just smelt it all airing out. I wonder where Marcus is. He supposedly he moved to the falls. The Niagara Falls. Of course, on the Canadian side, this is my area, Wellington. Wellington goes all the way, there's a lot of different Wellingtons. There's a lot of different Wellingtons in Canada. There's a Wellington on, in London. There's a Wellington. Very happy to be on Wellington. I've yet to have a beef Wellington. I've yet to have. They got new concrete over there. What do you know? We're talking concrete. We got the power lines. Yep. Our power lines are above the ground. Looks like it's starting to calm down now. But this is just one little tiny part of Wellington, and Wellington is only one street in all of Port Elgin. It's a pretty big city. Too bad there wasn't more YouTubers in Port Elgin and others. You could have had more angles of this rain that came in, but you have me, and you had what I seen. What's that? Kayaks. People were out today. Just across the river here is Michigan. Or the lake, sorry. I'm only about not even, well, I'm right next to Michigan, right over the lake. That's what people don't get. Canada, how we're just across the border. Oh, my goodness. Look at my beard. I don't think it's ever showed that it's can turn red sort of like that. My brother, he said, oh, he's part Irish and all that. Well, here you go, one day. I think I may be too. Also, a little bit Irish on certain days. And boy, did I used to love drinking. But not anymore, I'm not drinking no more. Actually, the other day I had one of those Bud Light strawberry banana. It popped out. It was pink, and I had that. And I had a Bud Light lime. And then other than that, I don't really drink much alcohol. I don't buy cases. At most, I usually maybe buy a few cans. It came to $8 for 3 cans. I gave 1 can to Jim to try. But other than that, I ain't drinking. Saving. I love this apartment, but... And I'm trying to cut down on the marijuana. The rain has slowed down now. You may or may not know, other than music and all that, I mean, I ride my e-scooter, but the tire, I just got a new tube come in, and I can't gosh dang get the gosh dang wheel, or sorry, I can't loosen the gosh dang nut. It won't loosen. So I can't get the dang tire off the gosh dang here, so that I can put the new tube in and put the tire back on and pump it up on my gosh dang e-scooter and all that. Evolve. Anyway, I got it standing up right here on my table and all that. Tough gaming. No, I'm not going through it again. This isn't a legal video, but we have videos talking about, yeah, it's a free country in Canada, and it always will be, and it's a free country in the United States as well. And, nah. Your arguments are invalid. I can make as much money as I want. It'll be exempted. It's unjust, for me anyway. Maybe other people, that's a different story. But actually, I don't go over the asset limit. Actually, I qualify for all the ODSP stuff. There's no exemptions. I qualify for the ODSP just like everyone else. I don't have any money in my bank account. I have $0. Zero. Yeah, as of today. But in 9 days, I'll have my $1,200 check. And I'll be able to move on from that. And then I'm saying, like in a couple of years, no, actually, you can have $50,000 in your account. That's your assets. And I've already went through that your mortgage is exempted. So where is that cutoff? There is no cutoff. Congratulations, Stacks Amelia, you'll be on ODSP for the rest of your life. Because once I save enough, once I save $30,000 or $40,000 or $50,000, I'm getting my exempted mortgage. Guess what that means? Guess what the word exemption means? It means it's not part of it. So that means I can have another $50,000 in my account. So what are you talking about? There's no cutoff. I'm going to have a house. Once I get my house, then I'll have everything I want to have. I don't want to have 5 cars, so don't worry, I just want 1 car. Yeah. So, but no, you don't get it. I'm getting $1 million house under my mortgage. Congratulations, Stacks a Millie. You're going to be a millionaire. Stacks a Millie.